What's up guys, Noel here at KLM. We're going to show you a little bit about the new Technica kit that also fit the Performante, the newer Huracan Evos, and the STOs as well. Obviously a few changes. The exhaust placement's different than the Huracan and the R8s, where the exhaust is lower here. Turbo placement's also a little different, so the headers are actually different on the Technicas and the Performantes. They don't have the flexes built into them, so we had to do a different manifold on each side. In return, we just changed our turbo placement slightly. Along with most of the components and fittings are all the same. One of the changes that we have made that actually will be on all kits going forward is we used to mount this oil block right here on top of the plates. Now we mount it below. It gives us a little more room for the lines coming off to clear the intercoolers, and it fits in there nicely. So we did provide two short spacers, and then there's long spacers also for this mounting point here, and then there's short spacers that will go underneath the outside of both plates. We do offer different exhaust options now. So we do have titanium. We can also do a burnt finish on it as well. This is kind of a raw finish here, but we can basically do a burnt finish however you'd like, whatever you prefer. Over here we got on our shop car, you can kind of look at, this is a standard stainless exhaust with a black Cerakote. We're at the front of the car now. I'm going to show you the icebox setup. It's a little bit different. It does have a trim plate that kind of closes everything in. Water pumps mount it below. These are the fittings. So we got 90s up top. There's a 45 fitting down here, and then a 120 fitting here with another 90 there. This actually is removable, so we'll have a block off fitting that goes here as well if you want to remove this line. But this is for draining when you're adding ice in between passes at the track or on the dyno. This is an easy hose to move over and drop into a bucket and just hit the valve. So if you want to leave it on the car, we have a cap as well for this end. I can kind of show you the difference of our R8 icebox setup and the differences on our shop car over here. So this hasn't been powder coated in our car because we actually use this car for development. Still would like to get around to powder coating and having the fitting anodized, but this gives you an example of how we set up the R8 icebox setup. Another options that we'll have, you can now powder coat the icebox to match the rest of your turbo kit, as well as we'll have a black anodized cap. That's an option as well. Also, we're in our new building now. We're still kind of getting moved in, getting everything settled. We want to do another video to kind of show you guys the shop and show you what we got going on and what our plans are for the future. So it should be some pretty cool stuff coming in. We did get our new mainline dyno in. We're still in the process of getting it all set up. So we will have some videos of us running the car and doing development. We're going to do a lot of development with our engine program as well on the BMW M2s, M3, and M4s, as well as some of the Supra stuff as well.